What are the pros and cons of wood kitchen countertops? Dear friends, wood kitchen countertops bring a warm, natural look that instantly makes any kitchen feel inviting and timeless. They work beautifully in both modern and traditional spaces, adding character that stone or synthetic materials sometimes lack. One major advantage of wood countertops is their versatility. They can be cut, shaped, and customized easily to fit any kitchen layout. Minor scratches or dents can often be sanded out, making repairs simple compared to other materials. Another benefit is that wood is relatively softer, which means it's gentle on dishes and less likely to cause breakage. It's also a great surface for food preparation, especially for baking or chopping, when properly sealed and maintained. However, wood countertops do require regular maintenance. They need periodic sealing or oiling to protect against moisture, stains, and bacteria. Without proper care, they can warp, crack, or develop mold over time. They are also more prone to scratches and burns compared to materials like granite or quartz. Hot pans and sharp knives can damage the surface if precautions aren't taken. In conclusion, wood kitchen countertops offer beauty and warmth but come with maintenance responsibilities. If you're willing to care for them properly, they can be a stunning and functional addition to your kitchen. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.